Ner malaken yam kana dialtin kontin. Ba ler ba kalingwa seme ka Nuer online TV channel enda manduni chan konyak. Malia nung roina gwa seme ka Nuer online. An wale shanga jandang dogu de kel ka pai badak. Ron kina dang rawide jandang rawide diech. Bantin kon lat ka rudian and tama. Bana kaling. Te kon kaler dang dok to gor liang te very important along. Leran yama bana writing a koran tuɔɔk. Mishala den wo tuɔɔk an wale. No ka Western Equatoria na dore dana tiji Equatoria tiketin ke nyam ne no bana jelingan koramo ki koran churo rodalat lere o de men bana lingwa same tera mecha kwany ala gwan mal ka jongle state ban mandan le rodere wichin mi ban jelinkel dioden gwa same bana roache ka kwi yena dan en cha yen Dr. Machar re wich ta South Sudan kena roini ti kokien ti bombom ba ti goro deling katin jek dialen kona lat karodien and then bana right kerege dan e chitu ka nasser gwade sha na cha connectin ka sha og Nuer sha ka peitin ngai kona eno ti dialati kerik ti sha lat ti goro de keling ka do badan en chitu ka ke ami jira me jidit gwaseme ka Nuer online TV channel gore jen wojen der subscribe ko de notification bell der jetwany o mi jete ko mi chitu de chamala bere kajin no go to tia ka go liang ke de go kon lat ko din wo de keling rai wich aka South Sudan banti dialati bana keling kel ka do badan ci to ko je bu kon ngaji no ko ritu wan ka tin ka jan gwasmene na bana leran yam bana jeling kel gwasmene ka do badan ci to ko je man to krai wichen binami kam nenetin kontin lane Dr. Machar kenetin kontin la deni SSPDF tinte terwaike kirmi yadit no. Well, today we bring you important news, stories from South Sudan. We will talk about the recent fighting in Western Equatoria State, the appointment of a new peace advisor in Jonglei State, and also the situation of the first Vice President, Dr. Machar, who is still under house arrest. Stay with us until the end because these stories show the challenges and the hope for peace in our country. Fighting in Western Equatoria. Soldiers from the South Sudan People Defense Forces, known as SSPDF, are accused of attacking soldiers of the Sudan People Liberation Army in a position, the SPLIO in Western Equatoria State. The clash happened on August 24th, according to the SPLIO spokesperson in Western Equatoria, Major Costa Joseph Aburida. SSPDF soldiers attacked SPLIO areas in Bari, in Mudere East County, and in Kurisu, which is about 45 kilometers from Yambuton. Major Aburida said that the attack left one SPLI soldier dead, but he said the opposition forces defended themselves, stopped the attack, and keep control of the cantonment site. He said clearly, this is a violation of the peace agreement. We are only engaged in defensive operation. We lost one soldier, but our cantonment area are still under our control. The SPLIO spokesperson called on the peace monitoring body known as RJMEC and also the international peace guarantor to take quick action. He warned that these attacks are dangerous and can destroy the peace process that the people of South Sudan have been waiting for. He also spoke strongly against other violations. He condemned the continued detention of first Vice President Dr. Machar. He condemned the removal of the former governor of Western Equatoria State, General Alfred Futuyo Karaba. He said the looting of Futuyo property is also a violation of the peace agreement. At the same time, the commissioner of Mundere West County, Zelfa Dawa, said she could not confirm the clash. She said, yeah, there was an issue in the force, but so far there are no clear details. It has not reached the level of displacement or injuries. Effort to contact the SSPDF spokesperson, Major General Lure Kong, were not successful at the time of publication. This incident shows again how fragile the peace in South Sudan is. The gun have not fully gone silent and trust between the parties is still weak. People fear that if such incidents continue, the country could slide back into more conflict. This is why many are calling for serious dialogue and international pressure to make sure the peace deal is respected. Manchola gwasame akordana chitu kam kuma SPLIO ka Western Equatoria. Jala do na changa jandanga ro ngwan ka jan pai badaga me chikor mo choralat. Anyo ka changa jandanga ro baro. bene ka changa jandang jok wide kelen tama ka do badana chalat keje chala do kore chawde en lat alo kore tikete re wichin binami man tok gene kuma espela yu ken cha gwad dan tiketin cha ka magten akana ma kan ka kan kanas kan kama ka kuje mo akane this can international community no they can kuma kim yadit SSPDF they can get jogono wajerodun gwadnatin content kuma espela yu ten chwa kuma espela yu chwa ja tagwen kon tiketin wa similar incident ya togba ka apenal amani gwad dialin ko kienten kuma espela yu ten alo la ka yot kamaj balerlin kon magwase men chore lat karwa da ki ko tore bana duptin kon en toga je bana jangaj neme wa yar kana mal ron kin dangre wal badda ke chatain aloko ba mal ba je laslet ko de transitional government de jeto anyok aloko ba ko in kware ba je lat kim yadit ko mukir men no jeno de mal derben dio je cheche mal che taine wal badda dwala ko logo jeno ba ko in kware ba je lat jen mi mo gang dakre mo char gang jarar neme dera mandana de kon linga jodanan chalat kije ngai kontin diala kon lat korodian rai wika so Sudan and Woridian dial garek ticha gor jeno bi malbeben menchi to ka western Equatoria akam SPLA yo kene de nitin konchla de ni SPLA AG ki de ni SSPDF kirwa ke kirmi yadit aka jomo dan chalen gwasme wakan chaka mak to ka changjan dang ridung wan ka pai badda ka beka jan changjan dang de kelemene an walle wangu daba to korte ka tere wichin binami korte to awa yerkene male yerkan do bdande mal daro niam kaja so to talk ti ka goro de ka kapchong en koro katin kon chalat ka panal kon dit kon talk bad bana wutin ka kor gwasan be raina goro jeno bana focus katin kon ti lat korodian ka jan gwasmane abi kon ngajeno tin lat korodian gwasme wo ba kuma spela yo ba je silent ke cha bu gorno bi ka george ke ba jodien ba jeling ajen menen jena tama to korte katin ano bi malben gore kwa dangaro ko de ka mat ka de ka rakitin kon lat korodian but Michigan book writing in a me new gen hotel mishala mal rewi ka Sudan mal ben enemy chikane diala kontin ala kuma spele ayo kene kuma SSPD apchigo konmat so jo me dera me de kon link kon dial lerban writing gwaseme te jo me chalat gwaseme wate ke new peace advisor in jongle mi chakwany ban jo da ban gelin kel gwaseme. Now let us move to Jonglei State. The governor of Jonglei State, Dr. Regai Ko, has made an important appointment. He has chosen Michael Malis Dakdeng as the new advisor for peace in the state government. Michael Malis is one of the tallest men in South Sudan, but more importantly, he is respected by the community for his calm character and his peaceful way of handling issues. People admire him for his ability to bring different groups together. Governor Regai says the appointment is part of his plan for inclusive leadership. He wants to bring harmony among the people of Jonglei, a state that has suffered a lot from intercommunal conflict. Michael Malis himself thanks the governor for trusting him. He said he will work with local leaders, with youth and with women groups to create dialogue and promote unity in the state. The appointment gave hope to the people of Jonglei. The state has seen cattle raiding, revenge killing, and fighting among communities. Many lives have been lost. Now, with the peace advisor like Malis, people hope there will be new effort for reconciliation. It also shows that leadership in South Sudan need people who are respected in the community, people who can talk to everyone, and people who can calm down tension before they grow into violence. Jo Lincoln Mogwaseme, Wudeme Ewun Mishakwany, Jen Shude Shale Malit. No. A Jen Chaja Kwany, a Dr. Guy Cook. Kwangeje Kojan Bala Gwan Mala.